How to add customer reviews to your Shopify store. So first of all, you need to make sure to head over to your Shopify app store and simply search for reviews importer. Now there are many reviews importer out there, specifically if you are using, let's say, AliExpress to import your products, you can simply go with judge.me AliExpress. Otherwise, you can simply click on the normal judge.me product reviews app. Now this is where you need to simply click on install, but before that you can also click on this view demo store, and this is going to show up just like so. How this is going to look like after installing, so simply click on install and follow the on-screen instructions. If you are satisfied with the permissions, you can then tap on install. After the installation is completed, next step is you need to choose your language and you need to choose your theme in which you want to install the reviews, and then click on start setup. Now click on apply embed. If it is not enabled, you need to enable it by going into your Shopify product page. You don't need to do it manually, as this is going to automatically take you there. Same goes for the review widget. Click on install review widget, and this is going to take you to your Shopify product page just like so, where you need to simply make sure that review widget is enabled just like it is showing up right here. Then click on save on the top right, and then you can go back, and this is how it is going to look like. So click on continue again, and then if you want to install the star ratings, which is looks very engaging, especially for the trending products, so I recommend you to install the star ratings. This is how it is going to look like, which will be in the product information. So you can simply drag and drop wherever you want. Let's say I want to add this under the pricing. This is where it is going to get more attention, and then click on save on the top right, and now let's click on continue, and now you can choose your star color if you want to, otherwise tap on continue again. Now you need to add your timing. Let's say you want your customers to have the email of your review request after how many days. So by default it is going to be 14 days. As for the international orders, you can also choose, let's say I want to go with 21 days, just like so. Then click on finish, and then click on explore judge.me, and this is the main dashboard where you can manage each and everything. Now if you want to import reviews, you can go for it. Otherwise, you just need to start by clicking on widgets, and then this is going to open up a new section where you can change the widgets how they are going to look like. Now in my opinion, the color scheme is very important. Depending on your store color scheme, you need to install that particular widget. So let's go with the review carousel. Just an example, you can click on install, and you need to install this, and remember this is going to install onto your particular theme, so you can see it just like there. If I click on it, this is going to be on the main page. Now let's go with this as an example and simply click on customize, and this is where you can click on the install again and make sure to install this. Otherwise, you can enable show review date if you want to. Otherwise, make sure to enable this build a trust factor whether it is a latest review or not. Other than that, you can simply scroll down. Some features are kind of like paid, which you cannot change. Otherwise, you can change the colors, which is the basic thing about it. Let's go with this one as an example. Same goes for the text. You can customize your text however you want, but it's a paid feature. Now let's save the changes and head over to general settings. Use them for your advantages. So that's the way of how you can add customer reviews onto your Shopify store.